the new Su-34 jets. Let's dive in. As of December 2024, Russia is receiving new Su-34 Fullback fighter bombers to replenish losses and bolster its air power in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. The United Aircraft Corporation, part of Rostec, is ramping up production to meet the state defense order, even increasing wages and social programs to boost output. The Su-34 excels at striking ground, sea, and air targets using both guided and unguided munitions, and can also perform reconnaissance missions. Despite heavy losses, with 37 confirmed by Oryx, Russia continues to emphasize the Su-34's high technical and combat capabilities.